Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my next video on curl of vector function. Prove that, let us solve the problem. Prove that r raised to n into r bar is irrotational for any value of n, and second, solenoidal only if n is equal to -3. And therefore, to prove this, let us consider r bar as xi plus yj plus zk be given vector function whose magnitude is r as mod of r bar value is root of x square plus y square plus z square. And therefore, to prove first one, to prove that r raised to n into r bar as irrotational we have to prove that curl of that r raised to n into r bar as 0. And therefore, to obtain the curl of this, we use this standard result del cross means curl of first function is a scalar function, suppose small f, and second function is a vector function, suppose g bar. Then curl of this f g bar, where first one is a scalar function, second one is a vector function, is del f cross g bar plus second function f derivative of second, it is del cross g bar. Therefore, using this result, del cross means curl of f g bar is equals to, we have to obtain derivative by this del operator. It is derivative of first function, that is del f, cross product with second function g bar, plus first function f derivative of second. This is nothing but the UV rule, or product rule of derivative. And therefore, it becomes del cross r raised to n into r bar is equals to del f, it is del of f means here r raised to n, a cross product with r bar, plus f means here r raised to n, into del cross g bar, g bar here r bar. And then we have to apply or use a standard result, whatever I have discussed in earlier videos. We know that the first one, gradient of r raised to n is n r raised to n minus 2 into r bar. We have to apply this result. And the second quantity is del cross r bar. Curl of that r bar is 0 when r bar is xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore, we have to apply these results. We get, and therefore it is equals to del of r raised to n, as per this it is n r raised to n minus 2 into r bar, a cross product with this r bar, plus r raised to n, del cross r bar is 0. And then, as per the property of cross product of two vector, that value is 0. Therefore, the value of this term is 0. R bar cross R bar, a cross product of two vector is always 0. Therefore, 0 multiplied by this term, n r raised to n minus 2, plus 0 into this term we get 0. 0 multiplied by any term we get 0. Means we are getting curl of that function as 0. That is that r raised to n into r bar is irrotational. For any value of n, as it does not depend on n, it is irrotational for any value of n. A first result. Then we try to prove second result. It is solenoidal only if n is equal to minus 3. And for solenoidal, we require to find divergence of that vector function. Then second, to prove that r raised to n into r bar as solenoidal vector function, we have to prove that divergence of that function is 0. And to prove this, we use this standard result, del dot fg bar. Dot product with that function means it is a divergence. And that result is del f, derivative of first function, dot product with second term g bar, plus first term f, derivative of second by dot product, that is del dot g bar. And we get it is equals to, therefore, del dot r raised to n into r bar is equals to del f means del of r raised to n, a dot product with second term, that is r bar, plus first term is here r raised to n, into del dot g bar, it is del dot g bar means r bar. And then to simplify it, once again we have to use the same two results. The first one we know that del of r raised to n as n r raised to n minus 2 into r bar, and the second quantity del dot r bar is 3. Therefore, using these two standard results, we get, and therefore it is equals to del of r raised to n is n r raised to n minus 2 into r bar, a dot product with this r bar, plus the value of this del dot r bar is 3. Therefore, it is 3 into r raised to n. Next simplification, we have the property for dot product. Dot product of two same vector is square of its magnitude. Therefore, the magnitude of first one is r, magnitude of second one is also r. Therefore, that magnitude square is r square into n r raised to n minus 2 plus 3 r raised to n. And therefore, it becomes n r raised to n minus 2 plus 2, we get r raised to n plus 3 times r raised to n. From this two term I can take r raised to n common. Remaining terms are n plus 3. This is the value of the divergence, and this becomes 0 it is equals to 0 if and only if the value of n plus 3 is equals to 0. That is n is equals to minus 3. Means we get the second result. The divergence of this product r raised to n into r bar is equals to 0, then it is said to be a solenoidal, and here it is possible only if the value of n is equals to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 we get 0. 0 multiplied by any number we get 0, and therefore required second result. Some more I will discuss in my next video. Therefore, if you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates or new videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.